100 years old. Para las personas que hablan español, damas y caballeros, este es un ritual con aproximadamente 800 años de antigüedad que se originó en el área del Golfo de México, en lo que actualmente conocemos como el estado de Veracruz. Fue desarrollado por una cultura llamada Totonaca o Totonacú, como lo pronuncian ellos mismos, en una pequeña ciudad llamada Papantla. De Papantla viene. But you know, during the whole process they are not using any kind of safety net or harness or any other safety system or device. These people go freestyle all the way up 75 feet high with no extra protections, no safety net, harness or any other safety system. These people is actually risking their lives for real every single time they perform. To give you an idea, the highest platform in the Olympic diving is 10 meters or 30 feet. This is twice that high. This is 25 meters or 75 feet high. Now, the ritual has different elements. In that same time, these pre-Hispanic cultures had the idea of life up there. In case that somebody would like to bring back a souvenir, this is a good option for you. The little toy made by hand craft made by the Totonacu descendant, real Totonacu people. All these people, it's original people from Papantla, the original town from the Papantla Fire. And well, we would like to remind you, the main income of the Papantla Fires is based on your tips and your donations. So, any tip will be highly appreciated. Thank you very much in advance for your tips. Any dollar, any peso, any euro will be highly appreciated, because this is the way these people support their families. But not only that, they also support a little school in Papantla where kids from 9 to 13 years old are trained to continue their days. Now, going back to the ritual, at this moment the caporal or the leader, he's starting playing his flute. He's gonna rotate facing the 4 cardinal points, asking permission to the 4 main elements or entities of nature before to start with their flight. The guy is seated right on the top in a very small area, the square foot. That character is known as the caporal, which is similar as the leader, the spiritual leader, or a shaman. This is called the invocation, getting in touch with their gods, something similar to praying. Right after that, the caporal will take his position on the square, forming the 4 cardinal points, and then they'll start their flight. Papantla Flyers. Check it out, ladies and gentlemen, they're just about to start. Another important, interesting detail. The whole system is activated only by the gravity force and their own weight. No safety net or harness or any other safety system. As I told you before, the colorful fabric on their heads symbolize the rainbow, the first rain of the season, the mix between rain and sun. Each one of the flyers is going to make 13 spins around the center before to reach the floor. The 4 flyers combined, they'll do 52 spins before to reach, symbolizing the 52 weeks of 1 year cycle. presentación especial de los voladores de papas. Thank you very much. Muchísimas gracias. Don't forget